Bonjour, my name is Jessica Harnois. I'm a sommelier who's passionate about stemware. Let me introduce you to my new collection called Atmosphere, which is exclusive at every Stokes stores all across Canada. Atmosphere means to have the best experience, and for that, you need to pick the perfect wine with the perfect stemware. I love these stemwares because they're produced in Europe. Why in Europe? Because in Czech Republic, in a place called Bohemia, you can find the perfect glass at a very fair price. It is refined, delicate, yet very durable. You can wash it under water or even in the dishwasher. I do it this way and it's very safe. So if you're a sparkling lover, you're gonna love this champagne flute to see the rising bubbles. If you prefer white or red, you're gonna have two different stemwares. The white is obviously smaller and the red bigger, so you can swirl it around to have the nice bouquet. And to complete the collection, you're gonna have this glassware, which is stemless. You can put it everywhere, pour water into it, such as sparkling water, or even rosé. This is my favorite. So the collection is all available across Canada in all Stokes stores or easily online. Enjoy your wine experience and bonne dégustation!